More than 25 million people in the world are affected by age-related macular degeneration and cataracts, which are the leading causes of blindness in people over age 55. Researchers have proven that foods rich in the nutrients lutein and zeaxanthin can reduce the risk of chronic eye diseases. Other studies have shown that a diet rich in vitamin C and E, beta-carotene, zinc, and omega-3 fatty acids can also prevent age-related eye diseases. Here are 7 foods that can help improve your eyesight naturally. Number 1. Eggs. As eggs are loaded with protein, they are especially beneficial to the eyes. 2 antioxidants, lutein and zeaxanthin, are present in eggs and have been linked to protecting eyes from damage related to UV exposure. Consuming eggs may also lower the risk of cataracts and other common eye disorders. Egg yolks have lots of vitamin A, which keeps your eyes healthy. Start your day off with an egg or 2 to keep your vision on track. Number 2. Carrots. Carrots contain both beta-carotene and lutein. These compounds can be found concentrated in our retinas, which protect vision, specifically night vision. The liver converts beta-carotene into vitamin A, and then this compound goes to retina and becomes rhodopsin, a substance necessary to healthy night vision. Number 3. Avocados. Studies have shown that avocados contain more lutein than any other fruit, which is important for your eyesight, since lutein has the ability to reduce the risk of macular degeneration and cataracts. Number 4. Spinach. Packed with lutein and zeaxanthin, spinach improves eyesight by reducing your chances of cataracts and other eye diseases. Add spinach to sandwiches and wraps and use it as a salad starter or make smoothies with it. Cooking the greens helps your body better absorb the lutein. Number 5. Dark chocolate. As if you needed an excuse to eat this rich, decadent treat, dark chocolate has been shown to be very beneficial to your eyesight. By adding dark chocolate to your diet, you're increasing your intake of flavonoids that helps to protect the blood vessels. Number 6. Banana. Vitamin A and C present in bananas are good for eyesight. Bananas also contain other nutrients like vitamin E and lutein, both which are eye healthy. Number 7. Fish. Especially salmon, tuna, and cod contains healthy omega-3 fatty acids which are found in the retina. Omega-3 is also known for enhancing your brain power, which directly leads to better vision. If you're not a fan of fish, take fish oil pills for similar results.